Today is closet clean out day. I am going to clean this closet whether it kills me. It's gonna kill me. I'm gonna show you this closet. Don't judge. I got a lot of shit in here. It's a decent sized closet. It's not the biggest closet. And I need a lot of things to go bye-bye because it's just gotten ridiculous. So let's look. All right, so the lighting's not gonna be the greatest, but okay, let's just walk in. All right, so here I have scarves hanging, and I don't use half of them. Actually, I really don't honestly use a lot of scarves, so I need to go through that too. Okay, so you walk in and you look up, and there's my winter clothes there. And then there's suitcases and bags and purses. And then some skirts of mine, and then my husband and our uniforms for work, and then some winter jackets. Come down, and on the back of the store is some shoes, and then we have shoes. Then we start with uniforms. We have some uniforms there. Focus. My husband's giant safe that takes up so much room in here. And then here's his clothes to here, and then my clothes, and then my clothes. And then, focus. Okay, and then I have pants. And then I have this step stool to get to my winter clothes. And then I have candles, toiletries, overflow of toiletries and stuff. And then I have my shorts, and then my husband's pants. And then the dirty clothes hamper, and just random stuff on the floor. So I need to clean this closet out, and it's gonna start now. So I'm going to set my camera down, and you'll probably just see me coming out of the closet because I think it'd be too hard to like film inside the closet. So I'm going to set my camera outside the closet, and then I am going to just turn on some tunes and get this project going because it's going to take me several hours, I'm sure. And I'm going to have a lot of decision making to do, especially when it comes to my clothes, because I have so many that I've outgrown. And I've just spent so much money on clothing that it's like so hard to just say, you know what, let me just get rid of it. Because it's like I've spent my hard-earned money on it and I don't ever wear this crap, so I need to get rid of stuff. So, and I'm already burning up, so this is really going to suck. I'll probably be sweating my arse off at the end of this, so wish me luck. Here I go. Okay, I think I'm just going to show you what I've cleared out so far. So everything on these two shelves, this shelf and this shelf, and then on this shelf, and everything that was behind or on the floor, I have cleared out. I'm going to work in sections because I'm going to show you. This is in my bathroom floor right now. And then I'm going to show you my mound on my bed. This is what's going on my bed and on my floor. I'm out of breath. Okay, so this is all the stuff that's on my bed and my floor. That pile I've already like started for giveaway, or you know, to donate. And then this is what is on my bed. I don't know if you realize how tall this has gotten. So see, there's the bottom or the top of the bed, and then there's the top of the mound. So I'm just gonna work in sections. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna vacuum my closet, and then I'm going to start bringing clothes back in. And then when I get that section cleared, then I will start working on this. And I really just need to go through those skirts because the winter work gear I'm not going to even touch. You know, if I get rid of it at some point, we'll need it because this winter was really brutal. And we've gotten rid of winter gear before, and it's like, damn, I wish I would have had that. So, and then I'm going to go through my shoes. Actually, I think I'm going to go through my shoes right now. I'm probably 2 hours into this, and I have managed to get the bed back down. I just have that pile I need to go through. I also need to go through these. These are all pants and leggings. I need to find a new way to organize these because it's really bringing my bar down. It's like making my bar sag. These things are skirts and this one pair of capris that are pretty expensive. I'm gonna move those upstairs. I have an upstairs closet full of clothes too, but the reason I'm keeping these is because they're still very stylish, but I don't fit into them. But my goal this year is to lose weight. I've kind of changed the way I've eaten because I used to eat like total shit, and I've kind of, you know, try to reach for better snacks or whatever. Anyways, they're very stylish, but they're very expensive clothing. Some of them still had tags on them, sadly enough. So I'm gonna keep those for now. This is my pile of donate, and also I need to go through there because I have several dresses that are gorgeous that I could probably sell. They're just absolutely gorgeous dresses that I need to sell. These t-shirts here I need to put in the drawer down there because they're good t-shirts, but I don't need to have them hanging in my closet. And then that is my bag of dry cleaning stuff that I need to get, you know, take to the dry cleaners. I have this boot from when I injured my foot 2 years ago. It's been, yeah, August will be or July will be 2 years. And then some pile of hangers, but I am making progress. Let's come into, sorry, I'm jamming out to Billy Idol. I still need to like put these things back in the closet or in an organized fashion. But I can tell you that I've made a lot of progress in here. So I rearranged. I put all my dresses on this end, and I put all of my blouses that I've kept. I've kept a lot, but I've also gotten rid of quite a bit. I've kept those over here. And then this are all tank tops. So if I'm like reaching for a tank top, I know where to go. And I honestly thought I had a lot more tank tops than that, but I don't. Then here are my shorts. And then behind that, I have like very fashionable blue jean slacks, my husband's pants and his work clothes, or his work pants, and then his clothes. And then I have this hanging here because he got upset with me last time when I did my bedroom declutter, because I went through a couple of his items and made them into rags because they were quite old. So I'm going to let him go through these clothes and tell me if I can get rid of them and donate them or not. Over here are the shoes. I got rid of probably about 10 pairs of shoes and just organized it. I did organize this with some more shoes. And then these are our uniforms. And honestly, see, I keep my work pants, my work shorts. We have our vests for work. We both work at the same place. And then his clothes, his shorts are there. There's a t-shirt on there. I'm sure he did that. And then t-shirts here. And then up here are our work winter gear that I told you I wasn't going to mess with. I did look through his winter stuff. I'm just leaving it alone. I moved my stuff down because I took all those skirts down. So my winter jackets, like lightweight winter jackets, are right there that I would reach for more often. And then up there are suitcases, and that I just don't think I'm going to get to today. I did get up on my step stool and go through my winter clothes. I've already decluttered a lot of my winter clothes, and I don't buy a lot of winter clothes. So, you know, I'll buy maybe like 5 pieces in the winter, where my poor husband, he doesn't get anything, but he's just not a big like clothing person like I am. Anyways, so maybe I've bought, no, actually I haven't bought 5 pieces. I think I bought 3 shirts. 3 shirts this year that are winter. Yeah, I think I bought 3 shirts, and that's it. I haven't bought any pants this year, this winter, and the shirts I got were on clearance. So like this green one, I don't own a green one. That is brand new, but I got it for like $6 at Maurice's. So definitely holding on to that. Yeah, I mean, I just don't buy a lot of winter clothes. And then, oh, and then I bought this really cute black shirt that's, I don't know, I put it in the black area somewhere. I purchased that for the rodeo this year. and that's about it. So most of the time I'm buying summer clothes. But having it organized this way, maybe I will, you know, see what I have, and doing it this way, oops, let's put that, it fell down. Doing it like this, I see that I really honestly don't have a lot of tank tops, like not just plain tank tops. These are like nice tank tops. These are like stuff that I would wear, you know, out and about. Put it plainly, I used to buy really nice clothes and now I don't. So I've gotten rid of a lot, believe me. So now I'm in the process of organizing all the odds and ends, and I gotta find a way to organize those pants. But right now I'm just bringing all this crap back in here nicely. So I'll be back. I did change things over here. Since my pants and shorts are over here, I did put my pants over here. I actually didn't have a lot of pants. I thought I had a lot more pants. These are leggings in the middle. These are some black slacks and pants. And then these are like jeggings and jeans right there. And then all my shoes are organized. Husband's work shorts, our work t-shirts, and our work vests. So, and then the laundry basket that sags, I can't stand it, is there. The step stool, and then like I said, I didn't really get rid of much up there because I don't buy winter gear or winter clothing as often. So that is the closet, and I really like that the ground looks more, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath again. The ground looks more organized. It doesn't look like I got like a crap load of stuff on my ground. And again, my husband needs to go through these shirts when he gets home because he'll get mad if I just get rid of stuff. So then you can see everything is out. I just need to vacuum my bathroom really quickly. Everything is off there and you see the vacuum. And then in here, okay. So this is the pile of stuff that I'm donating. Let me get on the down here so you can see how thick this is. So this is the donate stuff. And then these are just excess hangers that I've taken, you know, that are there that I need to do something with. Those are still there because daughter is like beating me up because she wants to go paint Easter eggs. So I'm going to let you go at this point. Hope you enjoyed watching me declutter and the pain that I've gone through. But yeah, I need to do something with that pile of skirts and a capri pant. There's just one pair of pants. I need to make this stuff go upstairs out of the way till we have someone come pick it up, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.